How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Step 1. Open the right chat. Open Instagram, go to your inbox, and tap the person you want a message. If it's someone new, make sure they've accepted your message request first, because disappearing photos and videos typically only work once messaging is approved. Step 2. Send a disappearing photo or video, the most common method. Inside the chat, tap the camera icon. Take a photo, record a video, or pick one from your camera roll depending on what your app shows. Before you hit send, choose your playback setting. 1. View once, they can watch it one time. 2. Allow replay, they can replay it a limited amount. 3. Keep in chat, it stays on the thread. Step 3. Use vanish mode for a fully disappearing conversation. Open a one-on-one DM, then swipe up in the chat to turn vanish mode on. You'll see the chat switch into a vanish style, and anything you send there, texts, photos, or videos, disappears once the chat is closed or vanish mode is turned off. To exit, swipe up again. Step 4. Know the safety reality before you send. Even with disappearing media, don't send anything you wouldn't want saved. Instagram may notify you or even block in-app screenshots. For some, view once allow replay media, but someone can still capture it with another device. Pro tip: if you're sending something the other person might need to recheck, like an address, a quick reference photo, or instructions, use allow replay instead of view once, so they don't miss it and ask you to resend. And that's it, you now know how to send disappearing photos and videos using the DM camera, plus how to use vanish mode for messages that vanish when you leave the chat. If this helped, like and subscribe and comment DM. If you want a quick tutorial next on deleting Instagram messages or turning on message privacy settings.